Wow, look at this, you guys. Baby girl is loving Leo right now. They're both in my lap. Look at her feet are all up. Look at that little cutie pie. Look at that. What a good girl. She surrendered. Yeah, Leo loves you, baby, huh? He loves you. Look at that. That is amazing. I'm so proud of you. You've done so well. Yeah. You've been a good girl with Leo, huh? It's hard, huh? You like humans, not cats, huh? Uh-oh. What a good girl. This is so cute, you guys. I can't believe this. Look at that. They're so cute. They're sleeping on my lap. Her tail's twitchy a little twitchy. It's not bad. I'm so proud of you, baby girl. Yeah. My little Leo. He's a little lover boy, huh, baby girl? He loves you. Mm-hmm. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Isn't that awesome? We love each other. Have a good day.